Hello, my name is Morna Ruiz, and this is the new Toyota Corolla Cross XR, top of the range model. It's quite sizable. It's like a footballer's mother's vehicle. It's got, what's it, 16-inch wheel, which is great. And the ride quality is insanely nice. It's a beautiful car. If you come around the front, it's beautiful. Just look at the styling. The interior is great. The seats are comfortable, leather, electric seats. Unfortunately, the steering wheel is not electric. That's just manual. A nice smooth automatic gearbox. It's got a reverse camera. Even the glove compartment in the middle there, the armrest is well big enough for 2 cans of Coke. And you can put another 2 here. It's got USB and USB-C ports. It's got traction control. It's got a digital display, and it's all nice except for the dashboard. That's plastic. That's cheap. But the rest of the dash is leather. It's nice. But let's see that the quality rattles. Okay, so it's actually quite okay. Never mind. It's not really Toyota GR Yaris or Toyota Supra quality, but for the price, it's a nice car. So I'm an average sized guy. I'm 178, and well, the head space is great. Knee space is also great. Like I adjusted the seat for me, 178. Fits in the middle. Still good enough. Not bad. Is this size for 3 people? We're gonna be a little tight. So it's best to buy this car for your wife if you have 2 small children. It has a 2 cup holders in the center here, which is great for the. It's got 2 USB-C ports here and air vents to keep you cool. Right, go to the back. The boot is big enough for 1 body. You comfortable in there?
Yeah.
It's comfortable. It's comfortable. Great. And there's the camera for the reverse camera. Right. So that's the basics for this first time ever video, car review. So please don't judge me. It doesn't have 16-inch wheels, it has 18-inch wheels. This is the top of the range. The entry level has 16-inch rims. But this is still a beautiful car. There's actually a GR Cross coming out soon, but I can't tell you much about that yet. So they gave us this car for today, and I'm impressed. I'm gonna give this car 3 out of 5. The ride's comfortable. We'll take another video now when we drive, just so you can see what it's like. Thank you.